Question number 7. Fill in the blanks. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. First one, if length RG equals to 2.5, then length GC equals to dash. If length BG equals to 6, then length BQ equals to dash. If length AP equals to 6, then length AG equals to dash and length GP equals to dash. Let's see the solution of the first question. Centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. What is centroid? It's point of concurrence of all three medians of triangle. You can see G in this figure. Okay, point G divides median CR in two parts. The first part is seg CG and second part is seg RG, and the ratio of this two part is 2:1. Okay, you can see a segment from vertex to the centroid, that is CG. It contains two equal part, and segment from midpoint to centroid, that is RG, contains one equal part. Therefore, the ratio of length GC and length RG is equals to 2/1. Now we will substitute here value of length RG as 2.1. We will go for cross multiplication. Length GC into 1 equals to 2 into 2.5. Length GC equals to 5 centimeter. Here we have the second one. Let's see the solution of the second question. Centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Look at this figure. Okay, it is the first part of the median BQ, and GQ is the second part of median BQ. Okay, and the ratio of those two part is 2:1. It means BG upon GQ is 2:1. It means BG contains two equal parts out of three equal parts, and GQ contains one equal part out of three equal part. Okay, so BG, it contains two equal part, 2 out of 3, so BG is 2/3 times of median BQ. Okay, we will substitute here the value of BG, that is 6 equals to 2/3 into length BQ. Now we will shift 3 that side, so 6 into 3 equals to 2 into length BQ. 6 into 3 is 18. 18 equals to 2 into length BQ. We will shift 2 that side. 18/2 equals to BQ/2. Okay, therefore length BQ equals to 9. Now here we have the third one. Let's see the solution of the third one. Centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Look at this figure. Here seg AG is one of the part of median AP, and GP is the second part of the median AP. So AG upon GP is 2/1. AG contains two equal part out of three equal part, and GP contains one equal part out of three equal part. Therefore, AG equals to 2/3 times of the median AP. Therefore, length AG equals to 2/3 into 6. Length AG equals to, we will cancel 6 by 3, we will get 2 into 2. Therefore, length AG equals to 4. Similarly, GP contains one part out of 3, so GP is 1/3 of the median AP. Therefore, length GP equals to 1/3 into 6. Length GP equals to, we will cancel 6 by 3, we will get 2. 1 into 2, that is 2.